How to remove clock on lock screen on your iPhone. To remove or hide the clock on the lock screen of your iPhone, you have to follow some of the steps. Unfortunately, iOS doesn't offer a direct option to completely remove the clock, but you can modify the design or minimize its impact by adjusting settings and choosing a suitable background. For that, simply swipe down from the top of the screen to access the lock screen. Press and hold on the lock screen until the customization options appears. Tap on the customize at the bottom of the screens. Now, tap on the lock screen you want to edit, and you can either choose an existing lock screen or create a new one by tapping add new. Now, change the color to the clock of your background color. Once you do that, your clock will be hidden. In this way, you can easily remove or hide clock on lock screen of your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.